So hello guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video we are going to see what are arrays in Java. Let's start. An array in Java is a collection of elements of the same data type stores in contiguous memory locations. Means array is a collection of elements, means it is collection of similar type of elements, means whether it can store 1 2 3 only numeric numbers, or it can store like a string type of numbers like fruits, vegetables, like that, or the person's names, collection of persons names, or it store the floating values like 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, like that. So and the memory location will be contiguous. Okay, means if the element is stored at, let's say, at 1000 location, so next element will store at 1004 and store the next element in 1008, means stores the data or the element in 4 bytes. So that's why it stores in contiguous memory location. Okay, so next point will be it's a fundamental data structure used to store and organize the data efficiently. It is used to store the data in organized manner, so we can access the data very easily. So to create array in Java, this is the syntax: data type, this bracket, we need to initialize the type of data, and the array name here. This is how we can declare the array in Java. We need to initialize the size of the array from as we are declaring the array, we need to declare the array size also. So here we have to write the array name, and here we have to use new keyword, new dynamic allocation, and here we have to declare the data type, which type of data we have to uh, store in the array, and we have to here declare a size. So let's say 5 we have declared, so it will create internally 5 blocks, and it will store the data accordingly. So let's take an example. I'm creating an array. We have to declare a data type of an array, for which type of data we are storing in this array, and we have to write brackets and the array name. So let's take the array name as num. Here we have declared the array. Now we have to declare the size of the array, means what size we are taking space in the memory. Okay, so we have to write the name of the array. So here the name of the array is num. So num is equal to, we have to use new keyword, and here we have to give the data type. Data type will be int, and the size in bracket. So let's take, we have 5, so I have taken 5. So this way we have allocated the size of the array. So internally the blocks will be created. Okay, internally the like this type of blocks will be created, and the index of the array will starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and in these blocks we can store the elements like 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay, we can this is the one type we can create an array in Java. The another type will be we can directly initialize an array. Okay, so let's take first data type and the bracket and the array name. Let's take the array name and equal to curly brackets, and here we can directly write the elements, element 1, element 2, and so on, and number of elements, and here we can close the bracket. So let's take the example for this. We have to declare the data type. Let's take int, and the array name, let's take num. While creating array we have to declare the brackets, square brackets. This is the initialization for the array, and is equal to curly brackets, and here we have to declare the elements directly. So let's take 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, and we have to close the bracket and we have to give this semicolon. So we can create the array in this way also, and then this way also. Both are same, but here we are directly declaring the array elements in curly brackets, and in first way we are giving the size of the array, and then we are inputting the elements in the array. To remember, array size is fixed once declared. So once we declare the array's size is fixed. Okay, now second point, array index starts from 0, as we have seen in the index starts from 0. Okay, now third point will be out of bound arrays access leads to array out of bound exception. So running loop, sometimes we do not give the condition. Okay, uh, the iterators are leads to access the greater number from the array size. Okay, so in that case the exception will be occurred. That exception name is array out of bound exception. Mostly the exception comes uh, at the time of iterating the elements. Okay, so that's why we have to give the ending conditions or the conditions carefully, so this will not leads to the out of bound exception, the array out of bound exception. Okay, so Thank you for watching this video.